Guided project 1-2. Starting with number 3 in the instructions, because the first two just tell you to open the files. We're going to enable editing so we can work on this document. Okay. Click anywhere in the document and Control A. Open the paragraph launcher, which is this. If you're on Apple, it's going to be up here under Format. Go to the drop-down box is going to look exactly the same. We're going to be line spacing, multiple, type in 1.2, and then change the after paragraph spacing to 12, and click OK. 4, turn on your Show Hide, which is this button right here. It shows when you've hit the paragraph. And delete all the extra spaces. So I'm going to go delete all the way down here. Number 5, select the entire document. Again, change the font to Cambria. Go up here. These are in alphabetical order. Cambria. Number 6. Okay, change the paragraph spacing. So we're going to select the title, which is this. We're going to go to Layout and do the before spacing at 36, the after spacing at 18. We are going home and center it, and go to the font launcher, which is here or up here if you're on the Apple. Font style to bold. Choose small caps. Font color is the 4th one in, blue gray text 2. Go to the Advanced tab, click the arrow next to spacing, choose expanded, and expand it by 1.2 points, and click OK. Number, let's see, 7. Select the last paragraph. So we're going to triple click it. We're going to cut it. You can also do it up here if you want to. And we're going to put our insertion point in front of definition of online learning and paste it. We're going to click at the beginning of this and type, where are we now with online learning ? Online learning ? Okay, so they have capitalized everything except with. So where are fix the spelling. Okay. And we're going to click enter after the question mark. Select the paragraph, Synchronous Online Learning. And we're going to drag and drop this in front of Hybrid Course. So we're going to bring it up here. So I grab it, I get that piece of paper, I just tell it to drop it right there, and it is in front of Hybrid Course. Number 8. We're going to select Where Are We Now? The font launcher. Back to font. Change the size to 12 points. Color to the same one we used before. Change the underline to double underline. Use the same color on the double underline. And click OK. Make sure this is still selected. Go over here to Text Effects and Typography. And go to Shadow. And we want the first option in the outer, which is this one right here. Okay. Offset bottom right. Okay, confirm the heading is still selected, which it is. Click the Format Painter and then select the next heading, Definition of Online Modalities. So what the Format Painter does is it just copies the formatting, not the text. So go Format Painter, then come down here, and if you can just get out in front of it and point to it, it will copy that down there. Number 9. Select the paragraph heading Online Courses. So we want to select it, including the colon. Click the font launcher. Bold. Same color. Small caps. And OK. Number 10. We're going to use the Format Painter to copy that formatting to Synchronous Online Course, Hybrid Course, etc. So I've clicked on that. I'm going to double click the Format Painter because I need to use it multiple times, and I'm going to select Synchronous Course, Hybrid Course, Enhanced Course, and make sure you get that colon because I didn't get it up here. So I need to go back and choose the colon. Okay, and then to get rid of the Format Painter, hit your Escape key. Let's see. Select the last sentence in the last paragraph, which starts with note, and click the italic button. So I'm going to select this last sentence and make it italic. Number 12. Correct spelling using the editor. So my editor is over here. Go to spelling. Let's see. Consider, so we want to do management, synchronous, management, and portion. Corrected all those spellings. And I'm going to close this. Now we're going to use the search feature. Select the word synchronous. Where was synchronous? Here's synchronous. So I select synchronous. And right click it. And it wants me to go to search. Okay, as of right now, I can no longer find the search function. It used to be on this menu right here, and it would pop up over here. I'm investigating, and I'll let you know if I figure anything out. Number 14, select the word pioneer in the first paragraph. Pioneer, select the word. We're going to click the thesaurus button in the review tab. Thesaurus. It's going to pop up this over here. You can also get it by right-clicking on this, going to synonyms, and then down to thesaurus. Okay, at the bottom, it wants us to change that word to innovator. So in order for them to replace this word with innovator, we hover over innovator. Hang on, go back. Okay, pioneer, hover over innovator, click this down arrow, and insert it. That's the only way you can change it. Okay, so you have to insert it. And you're going to have to make A into an and because it changed the grammar when we inserted a word with starts with an I. Number 14, that was 14. 15, use the read aloud feature. So we go up here to read aloud, and then you can, it said place your insertion point at the beginning of the first body paragraph and read aloud. Then we're going to click pause, and so you see how that all goes. I'm going to close the read aloud feature. Let's see. And you can go through the rest of them if you ever need to read aloud. We're going to add document properties with number 16. So go to File and Info. Here's your document properties. We're going to go to Advanced Properties, which is here. Click Summary, which is where it's on. Type Online Learning in the subject. Information. Delete the existing author name in the author. That's probably under general. Nope. Statistics. Summary. There is no author. Okay. And so we're going to click OK, and then we're going to go back. And that's it. Save, close, and submit this document for grading.